How to check views on Instagram post. So let's get started. Basically, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram app, just make sure that you are using the public business account in order to check the insights or view post on your Instagram post. Now go to your profile. Once on your profile, tap on the photo you want to check view post for. And once you tap on the photo, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. First of all, just make sure that you have the business type of account or professional account in order to see the views on your Instagram post. Now, once you tap on the three dot icon, you will get to see insights option available there. Simply tap on the insights. The view count will be shown below the reel, but also in your Instagram post for detailed insights, you can see every insight available here. So scroll down and you can view likes, comments, shares, and also the saves and how many people this post or this has reached to. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.